What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. I'm on the north side of Newark, New Jersey, right? I'm on Bloomfield Avenue and Clifton Avenue. We're gonna go in here at a request of Regina Beasley. She said, go check out Frank's on Bloomfield Avenue, Frank's Pizzeria. She let us know they may not accept cash. They may not accept cards, so we got cash. Let's go inside, y'all, check out Frank's. Oh, people coming out. How you doing, Poppy? Ooh, it's looking good, looking good, looking good. How you doing? All right. What'd you get? Sicilian? What should I get? I don't want Sicilian. It's too thick. That's too thick. It's too thick. That's good? How you doing? I'm gonna get a slice with some mushrooms and pepperoni. How many I need? Just give me one. Just give me one. Yeah, man. Let's see. I'm gonna just get one, okay? It's all right. This is what it is, y'all. Thanks for Regina Beasley. Frank's a nice little family spot here. Can I get some fresh garlic on it too? Yeah. Oh yeah. See, we get more and more now. How you doing? All right. You the owner? Who's the owner? She said Frank is the owner. Frank, where's Frank at?
Frank's not here.
Frank's not here? He's on the beach. The owner's always on the beach. All right, family, we're at Frank's. We're gonna check out their pizza. I got pepperoni with some garlic. I got some fresh garlic on it, and I have some mushrooms. The mushrooms look pretty big on top there, and I was like, I said, I hope they're not just cold mushrooms, but they are heated up, man. Let's check it out. I'm tasting garlic, mushrooms, pepperoni, and that cheese is delicious. I think what makes a good pizza is the bread and the sauce. I got a little piece of bread, but I want to taste more. So far, it's official.
I love mushrooms. I love the mixture of mushrooms with garlic. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna fold this one and get that second bite.
The pizza dough, the pizza bread is delicious. It's perfect. It's soft and crunchy, both. You know, I hate when the pizza dough is too crunchy or burnt. Look at the backside. I think that's perfect. What do you think? That's the pepperoni. I know some of y'all don't eat pork, but some of y'all do. Here at Frank's Pizzeria on Bloomfield Avenue and Clifton Avenue, Newark, New Jersey. This is Matt DV. Like, subscribe. Well, not the Sprite. Like, subscribe. It's official. I give it my seal of approval. It's really good pizza. On the north side of Newark, we were in the South Ward our last. No, we weren't. We were in Point Pleasant. And then the one before that, we were at Ambassadors. Don't forget, May 17th, we're doing a meetup on Lyons Avenue and Bergen Street. I'm gonna buy a couple pans of Ambassador's fried chicken, and we're just gonna gather together, take some pictures. I got some giveaways too, so you guys, everyone can get a giveaway, but we're gonna select a few. Somehow we're gonna do some type of competition where people can win the giveaways. So hopefully See you there May 17th between 2 p.m. and around 3:30 p.m. We'll probably be cutting out closer to 3:40, 3:45. So please come by. If you're a subscriber or like of the channel, I want to shake your hand, talk to you, and see what say you. It's Matt DV, man. That's all I got.